Okay, hi guys, Coach JP here. Today is Tuesday morning as you're watching this video. I'm with Jesse. He is one of my neurodivergent kid student. So the usual drills that we do, Jesse had been with me for quite some time, attending twice a week sa aking sessions. So for Jesse and sa iba pang kids, it's the endurance, the stamina building, the pull, the arm pull, breath hold, and bubbling. So ayan po yung makikita nyo ginagawa niya. We're using this pull noodle para as part of the exercise, kukuhanin niya and then ibabalik niya doon sa safe area. Okay? And then makikita nyo yung pulling niya, pull ng arms so he can breathe doon sa labas para makapag-inhale siya. So maya maya, ayun makikita nyo. Okay, dito kasi medyo lalangoy siya ng malayo-layo. Nasa mood po si Jesse ngayon eh. Okay, kasi minsan guys, pag puyat yung tao, lahat naman tayo pag puyat, hindi maganda yung body condition talaga natin. That's why sleep is very important for us. Ayan. Okay, eto na, medyo lalayo na siya dito. Ayan, makikita nyo yung pull. Ayun, yung pull. Huminga dun sa taas, nag-inhale. Nag-inhale ulit, ayan. And then hinahabol niya yung pull noodle and then pag di niya nakukuha, babalik siya dun sa safe zone para kumapit and then magpahinga. Okay, so let's wait again. Ayan. Okay, nabitawan. Tingnan, ayun, nag-pull ulit siya doon. See those arm movements and then kicks. For now, we don't expect for the really proper techniques na ma-execute niya. Ang gusto natin ay yung endurance stamina. Ayan, yung relaxation niya sa tubig, yung pull and breathe, and then going towards the safe area. So I'm sure 100% abangan nyo po yung video ni Jesse. Sa susunod, nasa 11 feet deep po siya. Ititest ko po siya doon. And I'm pretty sure 100% he'll survive that. Now, syempre with high supervision pa din. Okay guys, so that's it for now. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay blessed. And see you sa next video. Bye-bye.